everyone, my name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. All right, let's get into it. What is Bitcoin doing? All over the internet, all over crypto Twitter, all over YouTube, people are calling for the demise of this project and cryptocurrency at large. They're saying that we're definitely going down. Price action is looking super bearish, super weak. We can't continue. We're going to have to correct a good deal before continuation. Even the bulls are saying that. We're going to correct at least to the high 40s, to the low 40s, high 30s, somewhere thereabouts. Some people are calling for 10% corrections as being healthy, and they've been calling for this for some time. This would coincide with exactly what we're seeing. So we're on the 4-hour chart. This is Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin, the same project that everybody says is on the verge of correcting. Okay. Yesterday, what did we say? We're zooming out to the daily time frame. Okay. Let me take this off as not to cause any confusion. All right. Yesterday, I said that if you look at these magenta circles, twice before on this uptrend, we've hit the 21 exponential moving average. And on those two occasions, what happened? As soon as we hit this exponential moving average, which if you are subscribed to this channel, you'll know that it is a powerful indicator for uptrends, not just in Bitcoin, but in projects throughout. The 21 exponential moving average in an uptrend will usually show you on a high time frame, so either the daily, the 8-hourly, the 4-hourly, will usually show you the path, the upwards trend of that asset. So here, we corrected, Bitcoin hit the 21 exponential moving average, proceeded to shoot up. Okay? We corrected, a retracement down, hit the 21 exponential moving average again, shut up. We met some very, very, very staunch resistance. We corrected to the 21 daily exponential moving average, shut up. Again, hit that resistance, consolidated, and here we are. Yesterday I said we hit the 21 exponential moving average. If history is anything of an indication, if it's a reliable indicator, we will shoot up somewhat because we hit the 21 exponential moving average. And here we are on the 1st of September. We have a healthy reversal candle with the wick down below the 21 exponential moving average, which is okay. The body of the candle hasn't breached this EMA, and we're making our way up. Are we going to breach this staunch resistance that we've tried to break for, I don't know, since the 20th of August, so for about 10 days? Maybe, maybe not. But let me tell you, and you should all know, that in technical analysis, in charting, the more you test something, whether it's support or resistance, in this case it's resistance, the more likely you are to breach it, right? So if we were to the downside, if we kept hitting a support level, the same support level to the downside, the more we hit it, the more likely we were to breach it the next time around. Same with the resistance. The more we try to push through this 49.9 level, this band of resistance, starting at 48, going to 50,000, the more likely we are to breach it. This will be the 4th try, I believe. So that's the daily. Now let's zoom in to the 4-hourly. And again, I have opinions. I have personal opinions. I have personal desires. I have sort of inclinations. We all do. We all have biases. However, what I want to do on this channel, and what I think is important, is really just look at the charts. Everything else may be important. The fundamentals, what the DXY is doing, what the S&P 500 is doing, what the government is doing, what the Fed is doing, what the SEC is doing, may very well be important. But on this channel, what I want to do is focus, laser eye focus on the charts. Show me the charts and I'll tell you the news, right? I'm not saying that all these other things aren't important, but I'm saying that they're baked in to what we're seeing in price action, I believe. And so I really want to see what's going on in the charts. I don't want to opine just, subjectively on things. All right. Again, 8-hourly time frame. You can see this, and you can see it again on the 4-hourly time frame. Let's use the 8-hourly time frame since it's a larger time frame, and we can see what we're doing just fine here. Okay, we got the daily kind of analysis, but what do you see here? So if you look on any charting website and you search the term bull pennant, you will see something that looks like this. Okay, that is a bull pennant. A bull pennant, what does that mean fundamentally? It means that, one, price had increased, so you had a markup in price action prior to consolidation. Why did you get consolidation? Buyers and sellers, there are buyers. There are people that believe that the price is moving up. Some of those people are starting to take profit because they're thinking, yeah, maybe it may move down later on. And there are substantial numbers of market participants that also believe that the price is moving down, that the price has to correct. That's what this consolidation means. That's what we're seeing here, right? This consolidation did look like an inverse head and shoulders before, but what happened that this sort of right shoulder that we drew started going lower and lower and lower. So instead of having an inverse head and shoulders, we now have more of a W reversal pattern, right? And even more accurately, we have a proper bull pennant. A bull pennant is different than a triangle because a bull pennant has a markup prior to consolidation, which is the bull flag, and the minimum markup, or the minimum the price will move following the bull pennant, or the break of consolidation. So once price action breaches this sort of triangle, is the size or the length of the flag. So at minimum, we can expect price action to come to 54.8, right? And that's not exactly our target of 56.8, but this is, again, a minimum target. So I hope everybody sees that. Now, again, I'm not trying to be subjective. Obviously, a lot of us want the price of Bitcoin to go up. We're personally invested. We have money on the table. We're biased. I get it. But what are we seeing here? We're seeing a proper bull pennant. We're seeing an EMA squeeze. Again, this is an 8-hourly time frame. This is a high time frame. It's not the 1 minute or the 5-minute time frame. This is reliable. This has been forming for quite some time. This pattern is very clear. Price went up, it went down, up, down, up, down. And now we're going back up, squeezed between the 55 and the 21 exponential moving average with a strong candle showing we may very well breach this. Now, there always is a possibility. Again, this is technical analysis. It's not sort of magic. It's a possibility that we hit this resistance of the 21 exponential moving average. We hit the bottom resistance of this range of resistance, and we reject. And in that case, we come down. Then we have proper rejection, and it's likely, not for sure, but it's likely that if we break the downside of this pennant, which is currently sitting around 46.6, if we breach that, we're going down to, at the very least, this 55 EMA on the 8-hourly time frame, or let's say at the very least to the 55 EMA on the 4-hourly time frame, which is at 46.3. So we're going down. I don't know how far exactly, but most likely we may find support on one of the EMAs. Probably the 8-hourly, I would say, if I had to guess. We definitely have support here at 45.9. But I mean, we have tons of support all the way down. But all I'm saying is that if we breach the bottom support of this pennant, we're going to have our large correction. And if you've been subscribed to this channel, if you've been watching, if you've been following, you'll know that I believe, based off of my analysis so far, that we will hit 50 plus, these 50 plus targets before we get a larger correction, rather than first have a larger correction and then breach 50K plus. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. I hope that was useful. Last thing I'll say, if you look at the altcoin market, you'll see that some of them are even front running this markup. Sometimes you see the altcoins almost predicting what Bitcoin's likely to do, right? Not always, but sometimes. And if you see the market right now and you look at what different projects are doing, you would think that we haven't been consolidating for all this time. You would think that things were perfectly fine because there's a lot of strength in the market, especially in layer one protocols. So that's Bitcoin. That's my analysis for the day. I hope that was useful. If you found value in this, please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon.